the movie Takita Takita. That's Srihari Nanu, I hope you know. He's the director of the film. That's Sendil, who has done the camera work. That's Bhumika, who has done great work in our film. That's Anushka. That's Gopi. And ahead of him is Nandan, who heads the Downtown Films in Hyderabad. And that's our one of the actor in the film, Trinetra. This movie came into my mind of making a movie out of it. Srihari had approached me for with a script when Satyabhama was getting made, and I had really liked the script. And when I thought that if this script I should start the first movie with, and so we started. Uh, I have always learned to do things wisely, but here I did not get wise. I just overspent a bit, but the look of the movie has come very good. All the actors have done a tremendous job. We had gone to a level of getting these actors from all parts of India. We had gone to Chandigarh, Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Madras, everywhere to find our lead characters. And we did fine. And after that, we had the training done for them. We had got all the trainers from Bombay. 6 months they were in Hyderabad training under different programs like learning Telugu, learning dance, learning dialogues, learning acting, all that was going on. After 6 months we started rolling, and when we started rolling, this was my first film and got into learning a lot. This is the movie where I learned the whole art of making the film, and slowly things came up to us. Like we went where? Vizag, and we had some 300 people crew there, and it rained, and it rained, and it rained, and it rained, and we were sitting there and eating every day. We all were like, okay. So we used to shoot for 1 hour, 2 hour. So that's how the film got delayed. Similarly, they again went to the Himalayas for a shooting for a song. There also it rained, and so again they had to snowing also. So again they had to wait for a long time to finish the song. So overall, what I have tried to do is to make a good film.
Finally, the best part of the film is the cast అండి. సో డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా నుండి అందరినీ పికప్ చేసి ట్రైన్ చేసి వాళ్ళకి తెలుగు రాకుంటే తెలుగు నేర్పించి ఇంత ఇంత చేసినప్పటికీ లైక్ ఇట్ వాజ్ ఓవర్ ఎ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ లాంగ్ టైం అండి. ఇంత లాంగ్ టైంలో జనరల్లీ ఏమిటంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తగ్గుతూ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే లైక్ టైం వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది. బట్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ద కాస్ట్.
Our first film, Bharat Thakur and Bhumika Chawla as a couple together. We are going to be eternally grateful for your support. This film, Takita Takita, is very, very close to our heart. It is a film basically about 7 characters and the life they live. It's a very fun film, fun-filled youth film. Decided to do this film, and the reason we've decided to get into production is that I have been here for the last 11 years of my life. The Telugu industry has given me so much that I shall forever in my life be indebted to them. The industry, the press, the audience, people of Andhra Pradesh have treated me like a daughter, like a sister. They've loved me, and well, we just thought this was a small way of giving a little gift back to start with. This film, director Hari has done a brilliant job. I worked with him in Satyabhama, and since then I really like his work. Sendil has done a fabulous job with camera work. We absolutely don't need to say much more than that. You all know it. Anushka has been here and it's been a great support. She's a part of our family and she's a part of our film. I hate him, but I love him. I'm only going to say that. I adore him. He's completely taken over and taken care of the film step by step from day one till today. He's been here. Nandan in our team has also worked very hard towards the entire film scripting and part of the entire procedure. Music of the film is brilliant. Now there are 7 new people in our film. 2 of them right now are here. One is Harsh and Trinetra. Both of them have done a great job. The kind of dedication I see in these children, in these actors of today, is brilliant. I wish I had that kind of dedication, what they have. So at the end, I only want to say thank you to everyone. See, I'll tell you, I will not say anything about my role. I am generally a very critical actor, including my film production. When I was offered Yagam, I had thought 100 times, should I do it or not? I'm not a person who does things for any given reason unless or until I like it. This film, especially, I like the fact that I can vouch for it, that after seeing this film and my character, the role of a teacher, there is one dialogue that I say, and that one dialogue will definitely change, I can vouch for it, the lives of millions of youngsters. And that's the only reason I've done this role for this film.
అందరూ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పేశారు ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఈ ఫిలిం తకిట తకిట ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఫర్ మీ ఇస్ ఇట్స్ అ ఫ్యామిలీ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇట్స్ భూమిక అండ్ భరత్ I got into నేను ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చింది I used to be teaching yoga with Bharat and it's Bharat who put me into the industry and that's how actually you all are seeing me today here. I'm in front of all of you all because of him. And Prabhu garu adigaru why would you do the role enduku chesanu. First thing I feel is mana whatever we do, whether it's a movie or edana kotta start cheste మన వాళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఎప్పుడు ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ దే విల్ బీ ద హైయెస్ట్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సపోర్ట్ అండ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇప్పుడు కాదు ఫ్రమ్ టుడే అండ్ ఫర్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ డౌన్ టౌన్ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ ప్రొడక్షన్ వాట్ ఎవర్ భూమిక అండ్ భరత్ స్టార్ట్ and I will definitely be a part of it blindly. I'm very surely I'll be a part of it blindly because I have that much of trust on them that they know they would never put across, even if it's a script, if they have to come to me with a script, they'll think 10 times that she's a celebrity, she's so and so. They'll think about think of me, about taking care of me 10 times more than what I think. So and definitely it's not that ee script gurinchi naku teliyadani kaadu. I've heard, I feel it's a very very realistic script. It's very very real time whole thing and Hari garu cheppinattu very very what's happening nowadays with the youngsters. You go and see the movie. We've not tried to exaggerate or underplay a lot of things. It's like how youngsters at the movie chusinappadu you will know there are a lot of things playing in a youngster's mind which we've tried to present it as a movie. There are a lot of things and it's also Bhumika garu cheppinattu the movie is not only about okay downtown production is coming out with a movie. Bharat Thakur is always associated with yoga and each and every time I've met Bhumika I've always seen whatever she does it's not just to do it. Always there's a cause behind it. There's some changes for certain people. So the whole movie if you look at it, it's a very fun-loving movie on top, but each and every scene of the movie has a message, which it's a real deep movie also. I wouldn't just say it's a fun-loving entertainer. It has a lot of depth in it. The character requires a celebrity. It requires a celebrity because one of the characters in the movie, how Facebook is so popular now. Even if you go open Facebook, you see a list of celebrities. Each one is adding a celebrity on, whether they add them or not. There are a whole lot of people want to add in celebrities. So I'm Anushka in the movie. Anushka is Anushka. I'm playing myself.
Yeah, real people should be the real.
And it's very real how in Facebook mana chesinatte andaru how we try to add on celebrities the same whole thing is very good.